have a family. You know, siguro pag nasa tamang edad, I'd like to just, siguro cut off work for a bit. You know, I want time with family. Kasi siyempre sa trabaho natin, we don't really have time for family. So, yun ang gusto ko talaga. Yun talaga dream ko. I just want, you know, to be with my family every day. And look up with the business. So ngayon, I'm doing my business now. It's doing okay. And I think I've met, yeah, I know I've met the girl of my dreams right here. So, yun, yeah. Yeah, seryoso.
May nasingit pang gano'n.
Yung wala po kasi doon, ha?
Lahat tayo.
So, yeah.
Sabay-sabay.
Nagulat.
So,
Congratulations.
almost there, you know. Step by step. But yeah, so yun talaga dream ko. I just really want my family, you know. Quiet life. So, yun. Yun ang dream ko. You know? Thank you.
Nice, ano naman say mo na ikaw pala,
Dream.
Question again.
being the dream girl of Enrique. Oh, chika.
That's not the question.
Joke lang, hindi yan ang tanong.
Ano yung pinakamatindi mong nagawa para ma-achieve mo yung dreams?
Oh, we can do that. Okay. Well, for me, ang pinakamatindi na ginawa ko, syempre, I wasn't born here in the Philippines. I moved here. And then, when I started working, I decided not to go back. Even though my family, my mom, all my siblings are there, my life was there. I decided to stay here kasi naisip ko, mas makakatulong sa family ko if I'm here. And that's all I want. I just want to give my families the things that I never had growing up. So,
Pero do you have plans pa ba na bumalik in the future? To
well,
settle down?
visiting, yes, of course. Settling when I'm probably older. I plan on buying a house there soon.
Yaman.
No!
Diba?
Ikaw dapat magbigay.
Ayun.
How about you?
Gerald.
Ano yung pinaka-hindi na ginawa ko para to achieve my dreams? Well, sumali ako ng PBB. Napakahirap yun. Kaya ako sumayaw nung walang music. Don Romantico pa. Walang music. So imagine mo, Don Romantico, walang music. Oh my God. Tapos hindi pa ako dancer. Oh my gosh. Tapos kaharap ko pa si Direk Lauren. Oh my goodness. Tapos mag-isa lang ako. Marami po akong mga pangarap eh. Ginagawa ko everyday. You know, I take time out of my day para as an actor kasi gusto ko po, I want to be the best. I want to be the best. Hindi ko pa natupag yung dream na yun. So every day, I take time out of the day para, you know, unti-unti may improve. Kahit wala akong taping or